Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your earbuds CREATIVE Zen Air Plus are not charging. Firstly, I recommended to remove the foil. So at the bottom of each earbud we have charging contacts, and make sure that you remove foil from the charging contacts. Especially if you buy a new earbud. Also, we have charging contacts at the inside the charging case, and check maybe you have a foil than that. So if you know that you remove charging foil, not charging foil, just foil, next step is to clean the charging contacts. So at this channel we have video how to clean these earbuds. If you don't know, you can check it, but shortly you need to apply isopropyl alcohol if you have it at the charging contacts, at your earbuds and also in the charging case, and then clean it with a brush. You can use a toothbrush if you have a cleaning tool, so just clean it. After that, check, maybe it's fixed. Also, I recommended to check your charging cable and your adapter, maybe you need to change them. And check USB-C port at the bottom of the charging case if you see that it's have some trouble, so this one is your problem. Also, you can try to use or reverse wireless charging if your phone supports this technology, or wireless charging station if you have it. And check is it charging your phone. So I will show you how to enable it on the phone. So your phone should support reverse wireless charging, yeah? And we need to go to the settings, then to the battery. At least on stock Android, right here we have battery share. Tap at this line and then we need to enable this mode. Then turn over your phone and put your earbuds to your phone. If you see the LED light, meaning that your charging case are charging. And this is a problem with something else. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!